Have you ever wondered how pregnancy begins? Let's explore the incredible journey from a single egg and sperm to the very first stage of a new human life. About once each month, one ovary releases a mature egg during a process called ovulation. The egg is gently captured by the nearby fallopian tube. If sperm are present after unprotected vaginal intercourse, millions begin an amazing journey through the cervix and uterus toward the fallopian tubes. Only a small number of sperm reach the egg. The healthiest and strongest continue the final part of the journey. When one sperm enters the egg, fertilization occurs. The egg instantly blocks all other sperm, creating a unique set of DNA for a new life. Over the next several days, the fertilized egg divides into more and more cells, while slowly traveling toward the uterus. When the developing embryo reaches the uterus, it attaches to the uterine lining. This important step is called implantation. After implantation, the placenta begins to develop. It will provide oxygen and nutrients to support your baby's growth throughout pregnancy. In the weeks that follow, the embryo grows rapidly. The heart begins beating, and the foundations of every major organ start to form. Pregnancy begins with fertilization, followed by implantation and early development inside the uterus. It's an extraordinary biological process that marks the beginning of a new human life. Subscribe to Anatomist Hub for more fascinating human anatomy and pregnancy education.